Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He tells us countless stories in the Quran about the prophets, the most beloved to Him. أشد الناس بلاء الأنبياء ثم الأمثل فالأمثل يبتل الإنسان على قدر دينه. The most severely tested people are the prophets. Then those that are like them, those that are like them. Right? The Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, one is tested in accordance to how much he's holding on to his religion. These stories in the Quran, my brothers and my sisters, are not there for entertainment. Right? They're not there as bedtime rhymes or chimes and whatever you want to call it. And then as if, my brothers and my sisters, these stories are not speaking to us. They were speaking to the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Did you know, my brothers and my sisters, when he went through hardships, when he went through difficulties, he needed inspiration. He needed something to get him through. Yes, that's Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Allah tells us, وَلَقَدْ نَعْلَمُ أَنَّكَ يَضِيقُ صَدْرُكَ بِمَا يَقُولُونَ. O Prophet of Allah, we know exactly what you're going through. The pains, the anxiety, the distress. We know what you're going through. Right? فَسَبِّحْ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّكَ وَكُمْ مِنَ السَّاجِدِينَ. Allah tells him, keep glorifying Him. Rush into prayer. And this is what the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam would do. And I can put my hand up, my brothers and my sisters. This is something that really, really helped me. Right? In the face of trials and hardships, run to the prayer. The feeling that you feel, right? It is unimaginable, right? You can't put it into words. Rushing back to Allah, especially when things get difficult. كَانَ إِذَا حَزَبَهُ أَمْرٌ فَزَعَ إِلَى الصَّلَاةِ. As the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us, right? He goes through hardships, he's rushing to the prayer. How do we expect, my brothers and my sisters, right, to move away or to navigate around all of these problems, and we are not even trying? That one connection that we have between ourselves and Allah, that which keeps us breathing, that which keeps us, my brothers and my sisters, right, being able to function, the oxygen. Can you function without oxygen? The salah is no different to that. It is that connection. Ask yourself this question, my brothers and my sisters. If I'm not praying, what else am I doing as a Muslim? What is the only Islamic thing about me? Is it only my name? Think about it for a moment. Throughout the day, what is it that we do that allows us to identify as Muslims? May Allah Azza wa Jalla allow us to stand before Him in humility.